Primetime news this evening, relief for consumers. Some food prices trending down after spike linked to Hurricane Beryl. Some importers hampering the response to local cement shortage. And former House Speaker's statutory declarations case delayed.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, at least 2 Caribbean leaders want the global financial architecture to be balanced. We'll tell you about that and much more in the financial week.
Thank you so much, Anthony. Now with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thanks, Javon. One Jamaican club is facing an uphill battle to qualify for the next round of the CONCACAF CFU Club Championship. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience trying to purchase construction materials such as cement after Hurricane Beryl?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.